So here we got a spider, right? It's about to look at this shit here. Just caught that motherfucker, boy. Tearing that ass up. Let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. Just caught that ass. Look at that shit. You ever seen this in real life? I've never seen this up close. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. I just seen some amazing shit that I have never seen before in real life. Seen it on one of these National Geographic thingy things many a times, but something just tried to attack my head. I'm a bitch. But I've never seen it in real life. It just happened. Now is she feeding on it? Can y'all see this shit, folks? I don't know. Is she? I think she is. Well, once again, this Big D Luke signing off. Hood Serengeti style 100.